Meteorologist Jeff Ray joins us with the weather forecast that has some interesting developments in it, Jeff.
Yeah, interesting, not in a nice way. We have 2 hurricanes coming into the Gulf of Mexico as we start the work week. Just unheard of. Actually, don't think it's ever happened before. But let's start off by talking about our local weather. Here's a live shot from Dallas. You can see the skyline there in the distance. We have a little bit of haze in the air. The dew points are up just a little bit, and there's a few clouds. Got up to mid-90s today after morning low of low 70s, and no rainfall at the airport. There was some rain around. I'll show you that in a second. But, you know, after that heat wave and the hottest temperatures we've had so far this year, 5 days of 100-plus weather, we've now had 6 days of slightly below normal temperatures. Always a nice break in August to get anything below normal as far as those highs. Typically, they're in around 96, 97 degrees this time of year. If you're out this evening, the low dew points help. We'll have temperatures into the mid-80s, so it's going to be very pleasant out there this evening. And tomorrow, pretty much a carbon copy of today. We'll have a lot of sunshine. We'll have temperatures in the mid-90s by the time we get into the afternoon. And again, those dew points will be in the upper 50s, so those feel-like temperatures will be around 100. So it's August hot, but not unbearable. Satellite radar, you see there has been some activity out to the west and down to the south. That it was a line of thunderstorms that came through really in the morning hours and the overnight hours, dropping in most areas less than ½ an inch of rain, but all that was to the west of the Metroplex. Futurecast we go. You see we start Sunday with mostly clear skies, and there might be a pop-up shower or two try to form. We put the chance under 10% for Sunday. We'll basically just see a few clouds, have a dry day with temperatures in the mid-90s, and you see mid to upper 90s is the story just about everywhere across North Texas for tomorrow. What is interesting, of course, what happens after that. That's Tropical Storm Marco. We need to talk about that because that will probably be Hurricane Marco later tonight, and a Category 1 hurricane coming up into Louisiana with maybe 85, maybe 90-mile-per-hour winds as it approaches New Orleans. That would do some damage, bring some flooding, and also, as it turns now into North Texas, bring some rain for us. It looks like the better rain chances would be on Wednesday and Thursday, and that's reflected in the extended forecast. But here's the various forecast models, and you can see they're still a little vague when you consider we are 2 days away from landfall. That's just because of the interaction with Laura coming up from the Gulf right behind it. Some areas, all said, could get over an inch of rain, but mostly in their eastern counties. Let's just cross our fingers and hope some of the rain. You can see how temperatures will be into the mid-90s on Tuesday, then the low 90s on Wednesday and Thursday as we have the remnants of Marco overhead. Then we'll start to recover going into the weekend with temperatures and the rain chances start to fall back a little bit.